Hey, Lynn Faulkner here. I'm a stay-at-home mom, been an entrepreneur online since about 2000, and I just wanted to share a little bit with you about a great opportunity for you to be able to be successful online. For years, I was involved in network marketing, multi-level marketing. I've done some affiliate marketing, direct sales. I was involved in the Forex industry. I was involved in cryptocurrency last year. I've tried a lot of different opportunities, and it seems like I kind of always bombarded my list with new ideas and new things, hoping each time that I'd have a really good winner and I would be able to make residual income. But residual income tends to be a little bit elusive. So I was very discouraged. I was ready to give up. I really didn't want to go get another job because I've been working from home since I had my first child about 24 years ago. So I really wasn't ready to go to work every day. I wanted to be successful online, but I wasn't sure how to do it. I'd had successes, I've had failures, but I just wasn't consistent getting success. And if you're not consistent, then it feels like failure. So I kept looking. And I was on YouTube one day searching for a way to make money online. Maybe you're doing the same thing right now, searching for a way that you can actually be successful online. What I found was a girl who had been with a company for a while and she was having extraordinary success. And she shared with me an opportunity where the program works. It just flat out works. What it does, it gives you a complete system where everything is mapped out, everything is done, everything is set up. All you have to do is drive traffic, generate leads, and they teach you how to do that with Facebook ads or solo ads or YouTube marketing or Instagram or Pinterest or whatever way you want to do marketing, they will have training for you. So your only job is to drive traffic. The capture page, the sales page, the training, the support, the Facebook group, the morning calls, the webinars weekly, coaches assigned to you, coaches assigned to your people. You don't do any of the selling, and you don't even have to train the members that join you. I've never seen a system like this in all the years that I've been online. I don't have to do any hand holding. I don't have to take calls. I don't have to do three-way calls or meetings or webinars or any of that. All I do is drive traffic. As people opt into my system and decide to join, they're assigned a coach and the coach takes over from there. So all I get to do is continue to learn how to be better at driving traffic. If you're interested in finding out a way that you can also be successful online, and I mean six-figure income success, then just click the link down below and take a look, take a test drive of our system, and you'll see what I'm talking about. And if I've shared something of value with you today, please subscribe to my channel, and I look forward to talking to you again.